Hey guys, welcome to back to Basshead Garage. Today we are working on an 88 Nissan Hardbody D21, whatever you want to call it. All I know is it was an 88 Toyota or 88 Nissan pickup. That's all I know that it is. Here it is. Took off the front plate because I don't want to show that because it's not my truck. I got the go ahead for video. This is the truck. It is nice. And we are going to be doing an alternator on it. Now here's the thing. Every time my cousin looked everywhere on YouTube, I looked everywhere on YouTube, either we're blind or almost no one does alternator removal / installation on the V6 model. Everybody does on the 4 cylinders, but nothing on the V6. So here's what's gonna go on this channel. A V6, something no one really does. So let's get to the point. Let's open up the engine bay. Oh, wow, now where is this? So it's right here in the middle, right? Yeah, you just push up. Okay. V6. 1 second. Okay, so alternator V6, as you can see, alternator, not right there. Right there. You can see it right there. Ever so slightly. I'll put an arrow on it. Maybe not. Which means, yeah, we're gonna have to do some finagling. Get that sucker out. But yeah, that's that is the goal for today. Let's do this. Okay, so this is where power tools come in handy and not come in handy. Why? Because they're big and bulky. So interesting, yes. Well, first step, I gotta get the tension off the belt and all that. I'm gonna explain the process, you know, how I do stuff, which isn't probably ideal for YouTube, but it's how I can get it across to you guys. I'm going to put down the camera, figure shit out, probably get it out, and then show you guys what I did and then put it back in. Okay guys, so I got the truck up on jack stands, as you can see. I got the little thing over there, the little skid plate thing off. Heater's there now. Tools are on the ground. And I had to unhook this spark plug wire thing to get all this off. So that bolt right there is a 12 mil. And I just used a wrench to break it loose. Use this to, I'm about to get it off, hopefully. Underneath, give me the thing. Under here, you break this loose. That's like right here, this thing. You just pull that down. There's this little tab here that there's a bolt going through. Carol forward that right there. Push it downwards, like push it this way, and you should come out. Move the belt, and I think that's about it. I'm about to take the top bolt off, but before I do that, I'm gonna go behind here and take off all that extra wires. So give me 2 seconds, and I'm gonna stick you guys right here on the floor. Okay, let's unplug all this stuff. And yes, battery is unhooked. If anybody comments anything. I need something metal. There's no metal. Right here, then. Does it work? Here? No. No. I mean, this works. So guys, I am currently done. Old alternator right there. New one in with future Damien while editing. Apparently the footage of taking out the alternator is actually corrupted and it wouldn't let me open it up or edit it. I tried my best to figure stuff out to actually get the file, but apparently it won't let me. So I'm gonna kind of explain it quickly on how to actually take this alternator out. You get underneath the truck, you take off the skid plate. Then after you do that, there should be enough room to wiggle the alternator somewhere between the fan and the bar that's right underneath the oil pan. There should be enough. That's how I did it. Hopefully this video still helps you guys in some matter. Sorry again for the inconvenience. Practically no tension, or lots of tension on the belt. So we're gonna throw the battery back in. My charger over there saying that it's charged 50-50. It's brand new. That charger over there is brand new. And yet it's saying every single battery I hook it up to is charged. Even the one that was in the RX-7 was stone dead. It said it was charged. And that thing is brand new. So what the hell? So anyways, we are going to put the battery in and then go from there. So let's do it. We're back, gonna let it warm up for a bit. So guys, the audio might be a little bit crap, but I'm on my phone because the GoPro died. As you can possibly hear, it is running. 1 second. It is running perfectly fine. I swapped my Toyota battery and it fired right up. The one that was already in here, it was bone dead. So I swapped that in there. I tried that battery which came out of that truck, dead, didn't do anything. How much is this? 750 freaking amps. Yeah, way overkill, but it started fine. And yeah. Door is open, by the way. But anyway, sorry for the loud noise. Hopefully you can hear me. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.